We've been looking for a new construction home under $300,000 in the upstate South Carolina area. Today, we're going to take a tour of the Nelson floor plan by Liberty Communities in Roebuck, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help buyers and sellers right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. That includes Greenville, Spartanburg, Anderson, Roebuck, and all the towns and cities in between. The Nelson has 1,707 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, open floor plan, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. It does have a walk-in pantry as well. Everything that you're about to see in this home comes standard in this home, including a pre-wire for a smart car in the garage as well. So we're gonna go in and take a look at this home. It's conveniently located less than 15 minutes from the Westgate Mall area where Costco and the restaurants and shopping are all located. There's a Walmart over there as well. So easy access to the highway. Let's pan around here and we're going to take a look at this home. And by the way, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe so that you will be notified anytime we post a new video. Nice long driveway here. It does have a 2-car garage. You got that glass on the front door here, so you let in some natural lighting. Garage. I said the garage has the pre-wire for the smart car. And there's an electric fireplace there. Plenty of windows in here and glass doors, so you have natural lighting coming in from everywhere. Powder room. Got the rectangular bowl sink there, and there is the bidet toilet seat. All the toilet seats here have the bidet option there. The back patio, good sized patio. And go back in the kitchen here. Have the nice size Costco size closet. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And it does have a cup wash station here, so you can wash your cups. A coat closet. This will be your dining area. And let's head on upstairs. And up here, you're gonna have a little small loft area, not too big, just a small loft. And one of the bedrooms here. A regular size closet. It's all carpet upstairs, all the bedrooms have carpet. And second bedroom here. The same size closet in this one as well. Comfort height, sink with vanity. Again, another bidet toilet seat, rain head, shower heads, upgraded fixtures. They give you plenty of upgrades in this home for the base price. A lot of builders don't do that. This is the laundry room. Walk in the owner's suite here. Go in here and look at the large walk-in closet. And then we'll pan over here to the ensuite bathroom. Again, same granite countertops that you see downstairs. And comfort height, sink vanity, standalone bathtub. You got this nice tile shower here with the bench seat built in already. rain head shower head. Got the bidet toilet. You got the LED mirrors in here. Good size bedroom here. Does have a ceiling fan. Plenty of windows here for natural light. And the pull down attic access here. If you're interested in this home or any other new construction homes for sale in our area here, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. And if you're not interested in this particular neighborhood and you like the way that these homes are built by Liberty Communities, they do have 9 communities here in the upstate South Carolina area. So let us know if we can help you. Have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye.